In this tutorial, I will show you how to see who shared my post on Facebook in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From Facebook's home page, click on your profile icon and go to your post. Here you can only see the number of people who have shared your post. To see their names, close this app and open any of the browser and go to facebook.com and log into your account. Now click on your profile. After this, click on these three dots at top right corner. Then scroll down and click on desktop side. Now zoom out your story and click on share, where it shows the number of person who shared your post, and then it will show you the name of this person. But if you want to get instant notification that someone has shared your post, then you have to make some settings. For this, from Facebook's home page, click on these three lines. Now click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. Now scroll to the preference section and click on notifications, then click on more activity about you. Now toggle on this. After this, you will be able to see who shared your post in notification section. So that's how you can see who shared my post on Facebook in just few easy steps.